You think silence means nothing is happening. But even in silence, something is always moving. Sound is not a thing. It is motion. When vibrations stop reaching your ears, your brain calls it silence. That is why silence feels powerful. It lets your mind notice what noise hides. Your thoughts, your breath, your heartbeat. Before the truth is revealed, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to FACTO. Knowledge without noise. Sound needs vibrations and a medium like air. In perfect silence, there is no sound wave. But the world itself never truly stops moving.